Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily reset your Windows computer. Just in case you forgot your password, like I did, or simply just want to wipe everything off. It's a very simple process. First, you want to make sure your device is connected to a power source, as you don't want your computer to go off in the middle of the reset process. What we are going to do first, we're going to click the power icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see three options: sleep, shutdown, and restart. Hover your mouse over reset. Don't just click it yet. Then press and hold down the shift key. While holding down the shift key, click restart. Keep holding down the shift key until the system boots up. Now you can release the shift key. The system will boot into the restore console. Here we are presented with few options. Since we want to reset the PC, we are going to hit troubleshoot. Here we have two options. We are going to choose reset this PC. Again, you'll be presented with two options: keep my files or remove everything. If there are files or folders you would like to keep, select the first option, keep my files. If you want to bring the computer back to factory settings and take everything off, you want to select remove everything. In my case, I want to remove everything, so I will choose the second option. It's going to ask you how you would like to reinstall Windows. We're going to choose local reinstall. It's asking us to confirm the selections we made previously, if we want to fully clean or just remove our files. In my case, I have decided I want to fully clean my computer, so I will choose this, fully clean the drive. Just be careful, because once you choose this process, it will start and everything will be wiped off. Now, it's going to ask you if you are ready to reset this PC. Once you are ready, hit reset. The reset process will take some time, so in the meantime, just leave it, let it do its thing, and it will take you to the welcome screen once it's finished. From there, you can set up your device just as you would on a brand new computer. And that's pretty much how you reset a Windows device. If this helped, please smash the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.